Okay guys, let's discuss some crucial steps on how to get free TikTok coin without doing anything. This is not a hack. There is this particular website I stumbled upon a few days ago that gives free TikTok coins for performing simple tasks. The task ranges from downloading apps and playing games on your phone. Once the obligation has been fulfilled, you would be given free TikTok coins in your account. And as you can see, in my TikTok coin balance, I am currently having 0 TikTok coin. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to have up to 10,000 TikTok coin doing nothing on TikTok. So all you need to do is to visit this website, provide your TikTok username, click on claim coin and perform the simple task. And within the space of 5 minutes, you will be given the chosen TikTok coin in your TikTok account. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk you through this step. The first thing you want to do is type the link on the video screen on a browser and you'll be taken to this page. Once you're on this screen, you then need to input your TikTok username. Then to check your TikTok username, just follow the steps. Profile, which is your TikTok profile name. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to check your TikTok username here. That's my TikTok username. My TikTok username is Adedotun. So you too can just use your own TikTok username. So I'm going to copy that TikTok username and go back to mine, to the page where I want to claim the free TikTok coin. So just input the name Adedotun, and after that you want to click on the connect button. Once you selected the connect button, then you see connecting on the screen and different available TikTok coin to claim would pop up. So what I just want to do is I'm going to claim let's say 25,000 free TikTok coin. I'm going to select 25,000 free TikTok coin and the screen should be loading and it's starting to be generating the free TikTok coin, and you can see 25,000 generated successfully. And while performing the validation, you should see automatic verification field. So you got to do this manually. So what does this mean? This means that just click on the verify now button. Once you selected the verify now button, you will be prompted to download or perform some task in getting the TikTok or free coin on your account. And the first thing you see on the screen in my own case is it says verification will take about 2 minutes. All I need to do is download, install and run one free apps from Google Play Store to earn coins. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to proceed to download and install these apps. Then click on the download button. Once you downloaded any of these apps and install it on your phone, perform the task you are ordered to perform and the connection will automatically confirm the verification manually, and you see checking completion. Once you've completed the task, instantly the page that says TikTok coin verification page would automatically show that you are being given your allotted TikTok coin, which is 25,000 TikTok coin. That is 25,000 free coin. And as you can see, there are about 151 about 171, 69, 179 online users that's currently using this portal to claim free TikTok coins. So if you try this and it works for you, just leave a comment below to know whether you're able to claim the free TikTok coin and it reflected in your TikTok account. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this. Thank you.